GPU-5A, the world's only gun pod firing the lethal 30mm GAU 8 round. GPU-5A, the world's only gun pod firing the lethal 30mm GAU 8 round. When your mission is to strike and survive, when effectiveness on target, flexibility, and reliability are all decisive factors you use in evaluating a weapon system, when cost effectiveness, that nebulous mix of unit price, maintenance, operating and logistics costs, is crucial in your weapon selection, GPU-5A stands out as the logical choice. Hi, I'm Frank Adamski of the Defense Systems Division of the General Electric Company, and I'd like to tell you about our GPU-5A 30mm gun pod. GPU-5A is a high-technology solution for today's close air support requirements. Yet in the case of this weapon system, high technology doesn't come at the expense of high complexity. GPU-5A is a simple, easy-to-use weapon where it's most important, in the hands of the pilots and on the tarmac, with the flight line and maintenance crews. The heart of the GPU-5A is the GAU 13 30mm Gatling gun. It's an advanced design, a lightweight version of the noted GAU 8 used on the A-10 Thunderbolt II. The GAU 13 is just under 10 feet long and weighs only 340 pounds. Since it's a Gatling gun, the GAU 13A has tremendous firepower, 2,400 shots per minute. It's externally powered, which means that unfired rounds pass right through the gun without a stoppage, and it has extremely high reliability. Surrounding the gun is a closed-loop ammunition feed and storage system, which is truly a marvel of mechanical engineering. This continuous loop conveyor maintains complete control of live ammunition. That means spent cases are held in the system, not ejected overboard. This advanced design achieves timing harmony with the gun through a transfer unit driven by unique elliptical gears. The ammunition system contains 353 rounds, enough for 10 one-second bursts, and to our knowledge is the most space-efficient gun pod design ever put into production. The business end of the GPU-5A, its streamlined nose cone. The GAU 8 projectiles are fired through this small projectile tube, but what you don't see inside is another GPU-5A technology first, a blast deflector, which deflects over 90% of the hot gun gases downward, away from the aircraft and its engine intakes. Making the GPU-5A totally self-contained is the drive system, another technical innovation. Here in the aft end of the GPU-5A, we have the first application of high-pressure pneumatics for a Gatling gun. This drive system consists of a fiberglass composite air bottle operating at pressures up to 3,200 psi. Inside is a compact yet very powerful pneumatic drive system. The advantages are numerous. High available horsepower, quick, easy recharging with flight line equipment. A trigger signal passing through this electrical connector is required from the aircraft. Also in this aft area are high-tech electronics. The GPU-5A microprocessor electronic control unit. This small box senses and controls all systems operations. It can even detect certain out-of-tolerance conditions within the pod and either shut the system down or alert the maintenance crew to a potential problem. This self-diagnosing feature takes place through a built-in test unit, or byte, which on this display indicates the problem area location. The GAU 8 round of ammunition. It's the first round specifically developed for the close air support role. GPU-5A fires the full range of TP, HEI, and API GAU 8 ammunition. The HEI round contains almost 55 grams of incendiary high explosive and has shown itself to be highly lethal against any soft target and even capable of defeating light armor. For heavy armor, the GAU 8 API round uses a kinetic energy penetrator to pierce the heaviest of armors, setting off a chain reaction of pyrotechnics, achieving tank kills. Over 40 million rounds of GAU 8 ammunition have been produced to date and are in operational and war reserve stockpiles, a definite plus for any weapons system. We've been working on a number of loader schemes for the GPU-5A, and we feel we've finally come upon a truly practical and simple design. This lightweight mechanism is currently in the prototype stage. We've been evaluating it at our Ethan Allen firing range, loading production pods day after day. It does almost everything the larger, more complex mechanisms do. Insert live rounds, download spent cases, remove any unfired rounds, and, as you can see, it's so small and simple it could be used in virtually any forward or austere area. The GPU-5A is a flexible weapons system. It can be installed on any MAU-12 or Aero 27 bomb rack. Aircraft like the F-4, A-7, and F-15 can fly the GPU-5A with no modifications, and aircraft like the F-5 and the F-16 can carry the GPU-5A with centerline modifications. Starting in 1978 with major airframers, GPU-5A has flown over 75 evaluation flights. Has been fired against targets ranging from heavy armor to convoy vehicles and fuel dumps to small craft at sea. In all cases, GPU-5A demonstrated its awesome lethality. GPU-5A is in the U.S. Air Force inventory and is currently flown on the F-4 and A-7. The Air Force procured the GPU-5A as a force multiplier for its tactical air command units, and it's given them a lethal close air support punch. GPU-5A, a high technology solution to the close air support requirement. designed on a base of proven, reliable concepts. Built with state-of-the-art technologies for greater performance and effectiveness. GPU 5A, high-tech simplicity to strike and survive.